TayRayGun's Legos, bricks and toys.
All right, toy fans. So listen, we're going to have another series of 12 o'clock builds day for day. I don't know how long this one's going to last, but we got another bag in of AliExpress, and this one also seems very legit. So this is based on that description down there. This is the AliExpress Fortnite Battle Bus. Now the actual Battle Bus from Lego costs about $100, $85, $87 if you're getting it on sale. That's about as low as it's going to go. But this is an AliExpress, so it's like, okay. And I was taking a bit of a chance on it, so I was like, oof, I don't know if I'm getting, because I saw some that looked really bad. Then I saw some that was like, okay, this could be legit, right? And so, kind of like what we did before, we'll probably take this, build it step for step. Already seeing this makes me happy, because one of the pictures that I saw, it looked like they were brick building the balloon, and I was like, I don't know about that. But I figured, hey, let me take the chance. Let me see. Now, mine said it came with minifigs. I did. Wow. There's quite a few there. I'd say we need to. I might be putting these together. There's a lot in there. I might have to look up some of these characters. I already see a Drift. And Drift and a Jonesy, Meowscles. I'm trying to see who else is in there. Oh, Adventure Peely. Oh, I love Adventure Peely. Yeah, I'm already sold on this one. This is pretty cool. So yeah. So enough said on that. We will be putting this together, and we'll actually be putting it together with the app. We got our stickers. They look pretty decent, actually. They look fairly legit. We got the V-Buck sign. We got the battle bus. We got the targeting system. Looks like we got all this stuff here. Emergency door sticker. So there's a lot here. I figured we will put this together with the app and the book, so we can compare the two just to see how they are. Yeah. And then, yeah, we'll put this one together bag for bag over the next little bit. Hey, listen, if you haven't subscribed, be sure to subscribe with that bell for notifications to be alerted. Anything comes from me to you, comment down below. How do you think this is going to go? Now, the mecha team was pretty good. We had a few hiccups here and there. Some of the things in the booklet were not where they were kind of moved around, but all in all, the build was pretty much the same. So I'm kind of wondering if we're getting the same thing here. We'll look at the quality. We'll look at the prints. We'll look at the pieces. I know in Mecha Team we had a couple of pieces that were in the pink that were like, there were some of the little arch pieces were not very good. They were kind of like, they were not very opaque, and instead of getting a light pink, we got dark pink. So that was like one kind of major quibble. That, and the stickers on the tomato head foot was a little off, and I'll review that soon. Or I think at this point I probably have. I don't know. This one's gonna be like way up in the future, so you're technically looking at the past right now, like time travel, right? Hey, listen, you can help out the channel, share this around, let people know. I'll be putting this together, so that way my video here will hopefully make us a better brick builder as far as like buying on a budget, using AliExpress and other things, and find out if some of these pieces are worthwhile or not. So I'm hoping this message finds you and allows you to make that decision on your own on if you think this is worth it or not. Hey, I thank you all. I love you all. Listen, Jesus loves you more. There's nothing you can do about it. Good luck with the build, and happy brick hunting.